Hi there. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk a little bit about Larry Benedict, because I know a lot of people are following Larry now. He's received a lot of attention in the past year because he's released, a product, One Ticker Trader. A lot of people are searching him. A lot of people are interested in him, but I think a lot of people don't really know a lot about him and whether he's legit or not. So I've been doing my own research. I just want to sort of use this video to sort of educate everyone a little bit about Larry and his credentials. So what I've done is I've come to a website, The Money Show, and I found a really good bio about Larry, which really explains his career in a paragraph, and I'm just going to sort of read it. So Larry Benedict is CEO of the Opportunistic Trader, which offers One Ticker Trader, which is one of his products. And he has over 30 years of experience as an investment professional. In 1984, he began his career as a market maker in equity derivative products on the floor of the Chicago Board of Options Exchange. Later, Mr. Benedict worked as a market maker on the American Stock Exchange, and in 1989 was hired by Spear, Leeds and Kellogg, SLK, as their options specialist in the XMI Major Market Index on the American Stock Exchange. From 1992 to 1995, he managed the off-floor derivative index trading at SLK. In 1995, Mr. Bennett became a managing director of the newly created proprietary trading department of SLK. During this time period, he became a special limited partner of the organization. After the Goldman Sachs purchase of SLK in 2000, Mr. Benedict took the opportunity to launch Banyan Equity Management, LLC. Banyan was a short-term discretionary trading hedge fund firm which managed clients' assets in excess of $900 million. As a recipient of Barron's Top 100 hedge funds on numerous occasions, he was featured in the popular trading book series Market Wizards Hedge Fund, How Winning Traders Win, in 2012. So that is really Larry's career in a paragraph. Now, Larry is absolutely genuine. He has a huge amount of trading experience, and his specialist area is options trading. And through his company, Opportunistic Trader, and his product, One Ticker Trader, he really wants to bring his knowledge of options to the masses, because a lot of people find options trading very confusing and very complicated. And being honest, when you look at options trading for the first time, it is quite complicated. A lot of people don't understand it. A lot of people don't know where to start. And a lot of people think it is a very risky way of trading, where actually options is, smart traders use options to limit the risk, because you can trade on stocks whether they rise, stay the same, or whether they fall. So you can make profits whether the stock goes up or stock goes down. So you can cover yourself. So if you use sort of options in a smart way, which Larry teaches, options trading is actually a very smart way to trade stocks whilst, not actually ever owning them. And that's really Larry's passion at the moment, is the opportunistic trader. Through One Ticker Trader, he really wants to, bring his options experience to the masses to help people, sort of make money from the markets in a non-risk averse way. Now, Larry has actually got a very, very specific and very, very simple way he trades stocks using options, and he calls this One Ticker retirement plan. And I'll just give you a little bit of an overview of kind of like how this works. So when a lot of people start trading options, and in fact a lot of traders, they'll trade all sorts of different stocks using options at the same time. And that is actually quite risky, because a lot of your trades are going to fail. Maybe only a couple will win. But what Larry does, he's got a very specific formula of how he finds stocks. And then what he'll do, he'll just pick one stock that shows potential. Then he'll trade that stock using options time and time again in a certain period. And, Larry sort of says that, he might trade that stock when the conditions are right, multiple times a month, 5-6 times a month, and come out with profitable trades. It's an ingenious but very simple system. of how he trades, and he calls this the one ticker retirement plan. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about the one ticker retirement plan, Larry's actually done an interview that you can see here, where basically he talks you through, gives you an overview of a one ticker retirement plan, how it works, and he actually gives sort of an over-shoulder demonstration of how it kind of works. It's a good little interview, and it'll give you a little deeper insight into the one ticker retirement plan of how, of his strategy and how he just trades and chooses one stock at any one time and trades it time and time again with options. Now, what I want to do quickly is just show you Larry's product, One Ticker Trader. I'm a member of One Ticker Trader. I really enjoy it. It's helped me understand options a lot, and it keeps things very, very simple. So this is One Ticker Trader. It's basically Larry lays out his strategy for you. There's basically 3 parts to it: issues and updates. This is basically the buy and sell alerts, and there's a monthly newsletter. The special reports, there's 2 here. This is Larry's guide to options, where he goes over how he trades and sets up options in great detail. After you've read this, you understand options on a fairly deep level. And the one ticker retirement plan is his complete strategy of how he uses options to trade stocks, and more specifically to how he chooses one stock and sort of trades it over and over again using options. At the end of the day, don't be fooled, by sort of a lack of content. The reason why I love this product is because you're not just overwhelmed with loads of content. Larry's product gets straight to the point. You get the issues and updates. You get the special reports that bring you up to speed. And also you got the portfolio with the stocks that he's trading right now. If you're new to options or a beginner options trader, I highly recommend this product, because the way Larry trades options is very risk averse. It's probably the most simple way, to start trading options if you're new or a novice trader. So yeah, big thumbs up. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, I'll put a link down below. This product usually retails for $199, but you can get it for just $19. Highly recommended. It's helped me a lot understand options, and I mean it's a great product. So there we go. That's a little bit about Larry and the products he has. Yeah, Larry's the real deal. He's not some kind of scam artist. He's got a long and distinguished trading career, and he's a very specialized and experienced option trader. He's one of the best options traders in the world. So yeah, if you follow Larry, you're going to be in safe hands if you want to get into options trading. So anyway, I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.